Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Earl's Classic Cars, where we're still on vacation in Florida, and we've made it to Cedar Key, Florida, where we have found a four-door Ford Galaxie with the hidden headlights from 1968 with a 390. Check this thing out here. It's been sitting here at the auto parts store just up the road, just on the main drag as you're coming in. And this thing looks like, I don't know, almost like a Blues Brothers mobile. It's got that kind of vibe to it.
It's 106 miles to Chicago. We got a full tank of gas, half a pack of cigarettes.
It is definitely in rough shape, although when you take a closer look down inside here, these quarters, everything here seems pretty good. I don't know if it's open. Well, it is open. Check that out. Oh yeah. Well, yeah, we got a little Bluetooth floorboard action going on. That doesn't surprise me, but we had a huge rain here this afternoon. It's a little wet down there, but not bad. And the speedometer has rolled over probably a few thousand times. You check that on there. It says 00448. I'm thinking maybe 200,000 miles from the looks of this thing. Look up in here, and as you can see, headliner's coming down. These definitely look like, I don't know, maybe they're original seats, but it's kind of hard to tell. Yeah, I think they're original. Taking a look at this. It's been worked on. I don't think blue was the original color. Looks like it might have been green, folks. Aftermarket 90s speakers in here in the door. Got a little bit of cancer in here, wouldn't you say? Just a little. Door a little crunchy. Floorboard pretty wet from the rain this afternoon. So this thing has got its challenges. Nice little middle console thing there. Oh yeah. Serious cancer here going on, folks. No doubt about it. Take a look at that cancer right there. This pretty bad around that area. In fact, I think you can pretty well see down inside the trunk. Pretty much. But on the lower side, it's looking pretty good. This up in here, kind of wondering what that was. It looks like they put an aftermarket fuel hose in here to kind of drive this thing around.
Match in the gas tank. Boom, boom.
Definitely got some serious cancer here on the door. Take a look around here. Bumper's got a little bit of indentation to it. She could probably knock that thing back out. I don't know about the trunk lid. Quite a bit of rust on there. But the quarters over here are looking pretty good. Check that out. Not bad at all, really. Got quite a bit of extra parts and stuff inside of here. But overall, yeah, it looks like a Galaxie Brome from what you can see right there. Look at that. Galaxie Brome. Typical four-door of the 60s. It does have the side marker lights, which that definitely tells you it's a 68, not a 67. Although there's no front side marker lights. I wonder if they took this off the front of another car, put this on here. Maybe this is from a 60. No, wait a minute. I guess that qualifies as your side marker light right there, just barely. Let's take a look under the hood and see what. All right, well, we can see where they've definitely been working on it, and yeah, that definitely looks like a 390 sitting in here. Little aftermarket carburetor going on, Edelbrock, some kind. Still got a battery in it. Still got the original air compressor in it for the AC, so it was an AC car. That's pretty good for 1968 and a four-door Ford. And a little closer here, we can tell where that fuel line that we saw in the back leads to. Nowhere. Looks like they haven't finished installing the fuel pump on it yet. Overall, it's not a bad-looking car sitting on the side of the road. I don't know about you, but I've always been a fan of the hidden headlights of these cars in the late 60s, early 70s. I know the vacuum actuators can go out on it after a while, but you can always convert it over to electric. And it looks like they got something going on here. I guess they're trying to pump out something. I don't think that's the vacuum actuator there. But overall, not a bad looking car on the side of the road. Tell me what you think. You think this car, I'm pretty sure it probably runs looking at everything that's in here, but what do you think? Is this something you would drive? Is this something you'd fix up? Would you restore a four-door late 60s Ford? I'm not sure I would. But would you part it out? I don't even know. Would the front clip on something like a four-door fit on a coupe model? If you wanted to put this hidden headlight setup on a coupe that maybe needed a new front end, would these things even convert over, or was it a different size? Let me know in the comments. And I'm interested to know if any of you have memories of a car like the 68 Ford Galaxie. Did your parents own one? Did you take any family trips in a sedan like this one? How about being able to ride up front in the middle? I can remember riding up front in the middle of my grandfather's 72 and 74 Mercury Marquis. I even sat on the folding armrest for a better view. How about having to ride in the back seat with your siblings or your cousins? Or maybe you have other backseat memories when you were a teenager and had to borrow your parents' car to go on a date. Plenty of room for activities back there, if you know what I mean. What about this four-door family sedan being handed down to you as your first car? Were you brave enough to keep the poverty caps on it or the full wheel covers? Or did you pull the caps off and just go with the black steel wheels? Maybe you went for the baby moon covers, or saved your money to get new or used mag wheels for at least the rear of the car. Either way, let me know your favorite memory of the 1968 Ford Galaxie or other similar sedans just like it in the comments. But overall, tell me what you think, folks. Did you fix it up? Look at this extra antifreeze in here. Of course, I got the carb choke starter cleaner on there. Would you fix it up? Would you part it out? Or would you leave it here in this drive-by junkyard edition of Earl's Classic Cars? Stay tuned. If you like what we're doing, subscribe, share, like, and let your friends know so we can bring you more of these videos, even when we're on vacation.
It's dark, and we're wearing sunglasses. Hit it.
And stay tuned to see more from me, Earl with an E.